Alright guys, so I was running into this issue on my Xbox where the Wi-Fi names are not showing up. So I went to settings, general, network settings, manage wireless network, set up wireless network. So from here nothing was showing up, it was just asking me to enter an SSID for the network name. For that it was also not working. So obviously you have to make sure your Wi-Fi network is up, but for me there should be a few. So what I did is very simple, just hold down the Xbox button. Press on restart console. So now after it refreshes, once again go into settings, general network settings, press on manage wireless network, set up wireless network. Just give it a sec. And yeah, for me it's showing up. Alright guys, thanks for watching, hope this helped out.